do you establish a realistic development and manufacturing timeline with the CDMO at the outset of a project?
Yeah, thank you, Jeff. I think realistic development and manufacturing timeline should start with complete transparency between sponsor and CDMO. And you start with a joint teleconference where you discuss scope and risk parameters, such as review current process maturity, whether it's lab scale or it's near GMP readiness. Then identify known risks such as impurities, polymorph, analytical gaps, or even like process temperature, and then define critical success factors such as what is done what is done right and what is done wrong, truly explaining what is realistic situation. And then you break project into several parts: process development and optimization, analytical method development and qualification, tech transfer documentation package from sponsor to CDMO, and expect that there will be also another tech transfer package within the CDMO. GMP readiness and engineering run. So like some sponsors try to cut budget, cut corners, going directly from research to manufacturing, which is never works well. And then documentation such as validation, batch release, stability. Stability is also important because frequently sponsors say, I just need stability, but then stability of drug substance, drug product, intermediate or critical materials, the stability of reference standard at several temperatures. So stability can expand the budget and timeline tremendously. And each task should have clear inputs, dependencies, approval points, or outputs. What do you expect at completion of each task? And for that, you should use historical benchmarks, build a joint project plan in Gantt chart, use shared data dashboards, and integrate risks and challenge trackers into same platform. So transparency and direct communication are keys for realistic development and manufacturing timeline and budget as well.